Hey guys, Joey from LOPO. Heat press machine is widely used in personalized industry. So today I would like to share some of my knowledge about how to know whether your heat press is good quality or not, or how to choose a reliable heat press to boom in your business. There are few most important things you will need to look after when you are going to choose your heat press. Firstly, accurate, consistent temperature and pressure controls. Secondly, sturdy constructions and high-quality materials. Thirdly, good safety features and easy to use. Firstly, let us talk about how to make sure that your heat press is with accurate and consistent temperature. You may say that, oh my god, this is so easy. Just use a heating gun to measure. Everybody can do that. Yes, I agree that everybody can do it in this way. But does it mean this is the right way or good enough for you to make sure that you're going to have a reliable heat press? Sorry, I have to say no. So let's share what I understood. The key to make sure that the heat press's temperature is consistent are three most important factors. Firstly, the structure of a heating pipe. Secondly, the raw material, whether it is qualified aluminum materials. Thirdly, the thickness of the heat platen. You may wonder how a buyer can understand from checking these factors before buying a heat press. Yep, it seems hard to check without opening the heat press, but I have solutions for you, so follow with me. Firstly, you could use heating gun to do the temperature testing. Except this, the other important way to check how long the press would be reached to your set temperature, a good heat press. We are talking the size at 16 by 20 inches as an example, would take for about 20 minutes to heat from room temperature to 180 degrees Celsius for 220 volts and 25 minutes for 110 volts. This means the thickness of heat press is good and can hold the temperature even during transferring. It's faster, which means the heat platen might be too thin, may causing the uneven heating during transferring, especially for the transfer that need longer time and more even temperature to press, like toner transfer and etc. A good quality of heat platen should be with the thickness about 90 mm as per our experience. That's why all of our heat press are with the platen with the thickness about 90 mm. As I mentioned before, except the even temperature, there are other factors you need to look after picking your heat press too, which is the structure and the certificate. Talking about the structure, I think the most important or what I can share and also easy for you to clarify would be the thickness of the metal part from the structure of the heat press. It has to be more than 6 mm, otherwise it would have potential risks of easy broken or uneven pressure. Regards to the certificate, it would be hard for you to clarify. But the simple way is to check the certificate number and also the testing company from the internet. Then you would easier understand whether this heat press had been certificated correctly or not. Okay, help you understand better, and Helpy can help you to get the right and good quality heat press for you to grow in or start your personalized business.